This is a 70s Chrysler 4-horse that we picked up not too long ago. And I'll show you the engine plate. Hopefully that you could see that. Paid $30 for it. The guy gave up on it, said that the carburetor was so messed up that it wouldn't run anymore for him. So we pulled the fuel tank off and it was full of rust. And we made a solution to soak it in and got it spotlessly clean. And took the flywheel off and checked the points and filed them and gapped them. There's the carburetor we bought for it. It was $35 and it fixed the problem. The engine housing, the fiberglass housing, was terribly broken, so it just runs. It runs without it. So we came up with a throttle, since the throttle was built into the housing, but this works just fine. And there's the kill right there. I'll come up with some place to mount that later. It's fine where it is. I changed the outboard oil to Mystic, that blue gear oil they use for them, and clean the spark plug. It had huge compression, so I knew that it wasn't garbage. This is the governor lever there, and I have it set in the middle, and then when we take it out to the reservoir, we'll show you guys when we'll adjust the governor. But right now in the middle it seems to be just happy. And this does not have reverse. This has 1 speed. Down is in gear, and up is neutral. It says it right on there. So, and I mixed a gallon with the synthetic 2-stroke mix, and we'll set the camera on the tripod and show you it running. So we'll turn our fuel on here and give it a little throttle. Put it in gear. And next, we'll show it to you at the reservoir running, and we'll adjust the governor.